When you are writing any kind of a research document, that should be backed with the strong references and the references that actually exist. Students are generally tend to use large language free models for writing of their research document, but the major issue is that they fail to provide you the actual references. But there is a one tool which is doing this all in free and very professionally, and the name of the tool is Claude. You can access it in free and can perform multiple tasks, which I'm going to explore in this video if you are a person who is in academia. And this tool is not restricted to help you in your academic journey only. You can do your day-to-day tasks with the help of this tool.
When you access the tool, you can see so many features on the home page. The first one is Write, and when you click on it, you will see that you can write product description, you can draft an outline of your any project, develop a character profile, write something in a voice for favorite historical figure, improve my writing style, and so on and so on. Everything which you want to do with your document on which you are working on, you can perform this using by these built-in prompts, or even you can feed the tool here specifically according to your requirement. The second feature helps you to learn, develop learning frameworks, create assessment questions, create a knowledge map that reveals a surprising pattern and all that. When you click any of them, for example, create assessment question, they have a very comprehensive built-in prompt for that, and they will ask some few questions to meet your requirements, and these questions will pop up immediately after you prompt the tool. So what is the topic or subject for the assessment? For example, I will type it in below, or upload a document, or it's a general knowledge or other. For example, I go for the choice of general knowledge. Then I will, what type of question do you need? So I will click on the type of questions I need, and then I will press on process button. As you can see, this all the features of Claude will work in the same manner. When you click any kind of a built-in prompt, you will have to answer some customized questions so that tool gets specific information about your requirement and then start proceeding accordingly. So as you can see, here are the questions, and on the right side you will see a very well designed document which is ready to download, and you can just download it and take the print and can use for your assessment purpose. These are some MCQs questions, these are true false, and these are the short question answers. You can reset it, and you can submit the assessment, and you can even download it. And here you can see a very well-defined version of this assessment which you can proceed further for your purpose. So you can share this link, and this is the link which is working live, and students, when done with the assessment, then they will press on the submit assessment and you will get the data. In the same way, you can develop different type of codes for performance benchmarks, technical depth analysis, or any kind of a code which you require for your research analysis. In the same way, it helps you in your day-to-day task. For example, you want to transform my personal goals into an actionable plan, you want your educational plan, you want your organized living space, you want to create your morning routine, you want to improve your time management, then you can ask the tool to develop your plans accordingly. The same way, you will click on the prompt, and after that, tool will ask some specific questions from you so that it customizes the plan according to your requirement. We are going to for its write feature, and I'm going to feed the tool that I am a researcher and my research field is the dissolution of cellulose in ionic liquid. Give me some research topic ideas from a PhD work in this domain. So I can use this tool, its writing feature, for brainstorming, for idea generation. I can develop the research plan, I can develop the research proposal, the body of the research proposal, any kind of a research document. So for example, I ask it write a literature review backed with the latest literature, and this is the specific topic. Then thinking about, then gathering the literature, reading docs, skill for document creation, and first it will gather all the literature, checking if the docs is installed, and then literature review and cellulose dissolution. Here you can see a very well written document appear on the right side of the tool, and you will see that this is the specific outline which have been followed by Claude to write this literature review. You can even develop the outline first and then ask the tool to follow that specific outline to write that specific number of words literature review for you. And when you look at the structure of the literature review, you will see that it is a very well written. This is the introduction part, and then this is the literature backed with the latest references, and you will see the list of references on the bottom of the tool. You can download it and you will see a Word file which is editable and you can make the changes. Keep this in mind that this document will have 100% AI. So you have to rephrase it, you have to restructure the information, and you have to use this just an idea to start your literature review. And in this way, you can expand this. You can take the information by cross-checking all the references from the literature. And for cross-checking, you have to copy the reference and you can paste here, and you will direct it toward the exact reference from which this information have been copied. Understanding the role of co-solvent in the dissolution of cellulose in ionic liquids. Understanding the role of co-solvents of dissolution of cellulose in ionic liquids. And it's better to copy their DOI and paste in the list, because in this way it will be easy for you to access the source just by clicking on that link. In this way, with the help of a Claude, you can even write the discussion, you can write the introduction by feeding the tool properly, and you can develop the outline and you can get the ideas that how you have to take the discussion of your research, how you have to conclude your results, and how you have make the quality of your writing even more professional by using its rephrase feature. But all the content which you rephrase with the help of any AI tool, you write with the help of any AI tool, comes under AI detection and Turnitin report. So for that purpose, you don't have to copy that document and have to use in your final document as such. Instead of this, you have to use these tools for idea generation, overcome your writing blocks, and you have to use the proper references and citations to writing with your own hand, so that your writings doesn't come under AI or plagiarism detection on any AI detector tools. You can access the tool from the link available in description, and this is completely free. You can use it today to expand your research thinking and make your research document even more professional.
So Claude is a lifesaver for the researchers who want to explore, who want to brainstorm on their research topics. It helps you to break your writing blocks. It helps you to create different kind of ideas. And the most important and most powerful thing about this tool is that it giving you all the information back with the scholarly literature. You can start using this tool by today by accessing it from the link available in the description. I will see you in a video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.